Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of my vlogs. This is Harvey, and with me I have the guest speaker, Jeremy. Say hi, Jeremy.
Hola.
And William. Hi. There is a fire alarm because Jeremy had sex with a skeleton while we were taking photographs.
It was too hot.
So what we were doing, we were supposed to be taking photography.
Yeah, you say,
no.
we. It
Yeah,
was just
I
you.
mean,
It was just
no,
you.
no. It wasn't just me. So, originally, I was supposed to be the model for Jeremy's thingy-majiggy. And then Jeremy decides to have sex with the skeleton. Unconsensually. We don't even know if the skeleton's a boy or a girl and what age it is. But he decides to stick it in anyways. And then the fire alarm starts.
This just sounds like what I told you.
As you can see, all these people, they're gathered here because Jeremy had sex with a skeleton. And so is the end of my vlog.